Hello and welcome once again. After installing Winget, first need to update the source. We can type winget and source rc and we can see all accepted commands. So we're going to type winget source and list. So we can see there are two sources available here. As you can see, the MS Store and Winget. Next, we're going to update the source. So, source, update, and type enter. And done updating the source. Now we can say, this point, let's clear this screen. TLS, enter. Now we can type winget list and hit enter to see all apps that is installed on this machine. It will take a second. As you can see, all this app is installed on this machine. So let's clear this screen. Now we can type winget update. Hit enter. Now, as you can see, there is no update for all this app that is installed on this computer. But if you have any update available, then you can do this by update /-r command, and it will update all the available apps for you. Or we can use update all. For all, we have to type /, then all. Hit enter. It will do same thing as winget update r. And one more thing you should know, that if we type winget upgrade, it will do same as update, and it will accept everything from update, like all. Same thing will happen here. Let's say you don't want to update all the program, so you can update using any specific ID. Like I'm going to update app installer ID and no upgrade found. Or we can, how can we get ID? We can get using winget list, and we will see all this is ID, like persistent capture. We can copy that CLS command. Now we can type upgrade. Now persistent capture will upgrade this specific package. Let's search for a specific package using winget. Winget, then search, then search for like Photoshop, and as we can see, there are 3 versions of Photoshop, 4 versions of Photoshop available here. and the search return this ID Adobe Photoshop from Microsoft Store, and it is the Photoshop from Adobe, and this is Adobe Photoshop Express. This is for Toshiba laptop only, and this is a Chinese Photoshop or something. We can search using tag like, let's say we can type audio, and it will show us all the audio software available on Winget server to download on this PC. We can search. As you can see, we also have GOM player from GOM Lab. If you want to install that, you can type winget, then install, then suppose I want to install GOM player, then we can copy this and we can enter. Let's say I'm going to install winget search VLC. There are 3 versions of VLC available here. 2 from Microsoft Store and 1 from Winget Command. And this will download from official website. This will be downloaded from Microsoft Store, and this will be Microsoft Store version. Let's say I'm going to install UWP of this program, so we can use winget install, then ID, if this asking for you want to agree this term, then you have to press Y for yes. Let's cancel this program, Control C, canceling. Okay. If you want to automate this installation, you can use a command that is __ accept package agreement. Let's press enter. As you can see, it's starting package installer without asking yes or no. Accept package agreement. So it will take a few seconds to install. Sometime it may take few minutes because my internet speed is little slow today for some reason. Let's open another tab and continue our class. Let's say you want to download something like Winget download GOM Lab. Let's say download GOM player for now. GOM Lab, GOM player, and it will download on our download folder. In the meantime, as you can see, package installed successfully. So we can see here our VLC player successfully installed. Let's say I want to uninstall this program. which we installed on earlier. So we can type winget uninstall followed by our ID uninstall and hit enter, and it will uninstall for us. As you can see, it is uninstalling the package, successfully uninstall. There is nothing here. Let's say, okay, let's try to download another program. Like, let's download any program uh, using Winget. Winget. Let's download virtual C++ redistributable. So I'm going to type the ID, and as you can see, our package successfully uninstalled. So downloading will take a few seconds. It will depend on your internet speed. My internet speed is good, but today, for some reason, it is not working perfectly. Sometimes it's so slow. So it will take few seconds. As you can see, Winget download the program on download folder. So we're going to go to download, and here you can see the program. So let's download 32-bit also. Some apps support downloading and some don't. You have to know that which one will support downloading, which one will support doesn't support downloading. There, alright. I'm going to download WinRAR RAR lab. Let's search for WinRAR. WinRAR. Sorry. Search WinRAR. And we can download that. Maybe download. Some apps support downloading and some don't. So you have to experiment with it. Right now we are trying to download WinRAR from official website. As you can see, latest version is 7.0, which is released like few days ago this week. So it is trying to download. As you can see, it is downloading.